Welcome to day 2 of the 7-day income system sprint. Yesterday you made a decision. Today we make that decision clear. Because here's the truth. If people don't understand what you do, they will not buy from you. Confusion kills sales. Clarity creates confidence. Most beginners say things like, I'm in digital marketing. I help people make money online. I'm building a freedom business. But those statements are too broad. They don't create urgency, they don't create emotion, they don't create movement. Today we simplify. People don't wake up wanting to buy a digital course. They wake up wanting more income, more security, more freedom, less stress. You are not selling the product, you are selling what the product helps them to achieve. That's the shift. This is the simplest positioning formula you will ever use, and it works. I help who achieve what without what pain. When this is clear, everything becomes easier. Your buyer, your content, your conversations, your sales. Let's define the who. Who is not everyone? An example, beginners over 50, busy moms, 9-to-5 employees, people worried about retirement. The more specific you are, the more powerful your message becomes. You're not excluding people, you're attracting the right ones. Result. The result must be tangible, not financial success. Clear results create belief. What do they actually want? Extra $300 to $900 per day, a second income stream, a simple automated system, location freedom, pain. What do they want to avoid? Cold messaging friends, tech overwhelm, huge startup costs, complicated systems. Pain is important because people move faster away from pain than toward possibility. Now pause this video if you need to and write this down. I help blank achieve blank without blank. Do not overthink this. Your first version does not need to be perfect. It needs to be clear. Look at the examples and notice how simple these are. No hype, no complicated language, just clarity. This is what makes people say, oh, that's for me. Your buyer is not your resume. It's not your life story. It's a positioning statement. Update your bio today. Make it clear and add a simple call to action. Be honest. On a scale of 1 to 10, how confident do you feel explaining what you do now? Clarity removes awkwardness. When you know what you help with, you stop feeling salesy. Now comment your positioning statement below. If it's too vague, I'll help you refine it. This is important. This is the foundation of your income system. Tomorrow we build your digital home, your funnel and email system go live. This is where things start to feel real. So let's build.